Sabi niya, pumindot pa kasi ng isa kaya nadagdagan Jello Obuyes, dinagdagan ng 2 puntos.
Mind you, he was the one who inbounded the basketball. Aside from my quick score, ang layo na kanyang pinanggalingan dito sa half court and finish doon sa kaliwang side o sa opposite side.
Under the rest. Pero ito, panibagong 5 na para sa Marikina. Dire-diretso. Lays it in for 2 was Jordan Santa Ana. Melencio. Switch. Rising up over Reggie Boy Masibas. No problem for Chester. Got in too deep. Pasa kay Jason Strait. Sa labas, Escoto. 5 points in the third period for the former UST Tiger Cup. Melencio. To the post they go. Collado against Soriano. Alatica inside. Kissing it off the glass and in.
He had a smaller defender. Meron ang galing muna, no? Medyo sa likod. And then yung cut sa gitna, meron Santa Ana.
Masibas has 11 boards. Escoto lines it up and nails the 3-pointer.
As if we can do something with the call even though we agree with them.
Soriano, napulot yung bola, puts it in.
So whatever the pep talk was during halftime, it's certainly working to start the quarter.
Melencio got it over 2 defenders.
Mas nasushoot pa niya yung mga mas mahirap na tira. Agaw. Agaw ulit.
Counter steal.
Agaw ulit.
Alano lost it. Santa Ana. The pass. Soriano will finish. Escoto, bounce pass. Jason Strait stretches and lays it in. Tabla na tayo, 53 all.
18 points already.
Melencio maintains his dribble. He is the one keeping them. Oh, good pass. Masibas, the reverse.
Lalo na dahil overall, they are a bigger team. This is exactly what he wanted, that they secure momentum during the second half. Back to you guys.
And by Jetro Escoto.
Pangatlo na yan in this quarter alone.
All of his 11 points in the third comes away with a steal, and he will lay it in for 2. Turning things around after being down by as many as 17 points.
It's a classic motion play. Alanes though. Finally.
Against Ubaldo. Naagaw ni Escoto. Running start. Jetro is ahead, able to adjust and finish.
You talk about ham time.
Nakuha pa ng Marikina ang possession of those missed free throws. Pasaol finally buries one from beyond the arc. Don't look past Pasaol, pero nabasa at naagaw ni Jello Obuyes. 46 seconds left. Pasaol thought about it. Couple of pump fakes blocked by Destacamento. Jordan Santa Ana off the dribble, kicks it out to Villarente. High arcing free. Book it. Alanes, 2 seconds to go. Destacamento not aware of the clock. And they will not get it off in time. How about Marikina flipping the tables in this period?